Imagine transforming the blank slab above your head into a high-rise sanctuary where fragrant herbs mingle with string lights and every sunrise feels like a private resort. Today we'll unlock the secret ingredient most designers forget when planning a rooftop terrace: vertical rhythm. By layering pergola slats, tiered planters, and hovering light frames, you guide the eye upward, make the space feel taller, and create a microclimate that stays 10 degrees cooler on scorching afternoons. In this episode, we're diving into modern rooftop terrace design, blending Scandinavian understatement with Mediterranean warmth to build a retreat that works in every season. Whether you own a sprawling urban penthouse or a compact walk-up, these principles scale beautifully. We'll explore pergola profiles that capture golden hour, wooden decking that survives monsoon rains, and planter benches that stretch every inch of real estate, proving that style and practicality are never mutually exclusive. Let's begin with color, the quickest way to broadcast mood. Contemporary terraces favor desaturated neutrals. Think warm grayish flooring and charcoal perimeter walls, punctuated by botanical greens and one bold accent, such as terracotta or teal. This restrained palette lets the vegetation sing while staying timeless enough to outlive fleeting fads. If your climate leans overcast, add reflective surfaces like pale decking oil or matte white planters to bounce precious daylight deeper into the seating zone. Seasonality should steer your palette too. 4 spring installations, pastel throws and flowering bulbs echo new growth. In summer, swap them for crisp navy cushions and woven jute rugs that resist heat. Autumn invites rust-colored lanterns and burgundy foliage, while winter rewards icy gray textiles layered under a cedar pergola that collects snow like powdered sugar. Rotate accessories inside storage ottomans, and your terrace will feel freshly styled without purchasing an entirely new set each quarter. Pergolas remain the crown jewel of rooftop design because they sculpt sunlight and extend living hours. The trend leans towards slatted roofs with adjustable louvers, allowing you to tilt blades for shade at noon and stargazing by night. Powder-coated aluminum frames read sleek, but if you crave warmth or need to match wooden decking, laminated bamboo offers surprising durability. Integrate recessed LED strips within the rafters, so evenings glow softly instead of relying on harsh overhead bulbs. Wood dominates rooftop terraces not only for its aesthetic warmth, but because thermally treated planks resist warping under extreme temperature swings. Opt for FSC-certified ash or modified pine. Both receive heat and steam treatment that deepens color and triples lifespan without chemical preservatives. To protect decking, use breathable mineral oil stains once a year. Less film means less peeling. Surround the perimeter with built-in cedar planters to tie flooring and greenery into one cohesive, resort-worthy frame.